Hey internet, lovely Sunday morning here today. Well, Sunday afternoon now actually. So I'm not going to get to do any work on the bikes today really. As you can see, I've had a bit of a tidy up. We've moved all the bikes around. Tried that new cover, fits a treat. So it's currently on the RD, so we're going to get another one or maybe two more for the other two bikes. But now I've got certainly lots of more room to crack on with the 550, which we'll be doing tomorrow. But I am doing a little bit of work today on it, but just not on it as such. So the headlamp came yesterday, really pleased with it, you know, and the guy did say it had got a crack in it, and it has. Look, it's quite bad. So can you see that quite close up there? Looks like somebody's had a go at repairing it in the past, and I've been reading up on plastic repair videos, and I thought I'd have a go myself. I mean, what have I got to lose really? So my soldering iron, I had to order a replacement because I blew the other one up, but the one that I've had this time, Amazon purchase, came with a number of tips, and one of them is like quite a, I don't know, it's quite knife edged really. So I'm thinking if I can get that nice and hot and work that in there, maybe I can actually melt the plastic back together. That'd be good. I don't want to just stick some tape in it or glue. So it looks like it's been glued before, and it looks like it didn't really hold very well. So yeah, we're going to have a bit of a go at that. I'll try and get it on the inside. So what I might do is put a bit of tape on the outside just to hold the seam of the crack together nice and tight, and then we'll work through. So one of the other videos that I saw on YouTube, I don't know if any of you got any experience of this, is they were saying, I mean, it seems a bit of a bodge to me, but you know, if it works and it's not a bodge, then I'll give it a go. So they were saying, yeah, the best thing to do is use an old cable tie, you know, so the offcut of a cable tie, and sort of use that, feed it into the crack, you know, with the hot iron, and see if that does it. So might give that a go as well. I'll just leave the camera running, and then I'll just cut my mistakes out. But maybe no. What I'll do is I'll, you know, so we can see if I have any success with it. Okay, so let's crack on. Tutorial I watched, they said about putting wire in it, across it, to give it some strength. You know, blow me, that's worked. There's still that crack there, but now I suppose I could try and do something with that, but I don't know. What do you think? Maybe just have a little bit of a go, gently. I'm just trying to make it watertight more than anything else, because of course the headlamp is going to be within the cowling, you know, the headlamp fairing as such. So I mean, I'm quite I mean, it's, you know, it's not like new, but that's pretty tough. I think that's a bit of a result. I don't know what your opinion is on that. Maybe drop me a comment, see if you've got an opinion. But I think that'll do us, and we can get that on the Z550 now.